Some of the questions in 3.7 are definitely a challenge. I will totally admit to you guys that when I first looked at this question, my eyes definitely got wide and I wasn't sure exactly where to start. So what is most important is taking a step back, taking a breath if it's overwhelming, and looking at how you can break it down into pieces, just like we did with 3.6. So for number 10, it tells us that a person, and it's Tom bought a computer for 15% off of the price. So 15% off of P. It also said that he paid 8% sales tax. So in order to think about this, I think of what percent actually means. And a percentage can be translated into a decimal by taking the number divided by 100, which is the whole. So I said, okay, let's look at one whole being P. That means that 15% off of that would be 0.15, and it should say P, so 0.15 P would be how much was off. So, in fact, I'll just add that in there. When you subtract 0.15 P from P, which again we're looking at as being 1, we end up with 0.85 P being the sales price. So now we need to work through to figure out what the sales tax would be. So we are finding 8% of 0.85 P. Because if that's how much it cost, it's 8% of that is the sales tax. So I take 0.85 P and multiply it times the decimal for 8%, which is 0.08 or 8 hundredths, and I get 0.068 P or 68 thousandths P. I then have to combine the sale price, which is 0.85 P, with the sales tax price, which is 0.068 P, and I get 0.918 P dollars. So his final out the door price would be 918 thousandths P dollars. Again, with all of these in 3.7, make sure that you are taking your time working out what the different steps are and how you can get from point A to point C. Just don't forget to stop along the way at point B. Make sure you are working collaboratively. These are definitely very challenging problems, and so I want you to be able to bounce ideas off of each other and really have the support there, and I will be around to support you as well. So if you have questions, let me know and give it a try.